Welcome to King Bike. Today we're taking a look at the Honda CB400X, a versatile adventure touring motorcycle that combines comfort, reliability, and everyday practicality. Let's explore what makes this bike a favorite among riders. Design and comfort. The Honda CB400X features a rugged adventure-inspired design with a tall windscreen, upright riding position, and comfortable seat. Its lightweight chassis and ergonomic layout make it ideal for both city commutes and long-distance touring. Engine and performance. Powered by a smooth 399 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, the CB400X delivers responsive acceleration and excellent fuel efficiency. The 6-speed gearbox provides seamless power delivery, making highway cruising and urban riding equally enjoyable. Features and technology. The CB400X comes equipped with full LED lighting, a digital instrument display, dual-channel ABS, and long-travel suspension. These features enhance safety, comfort, and confidence on a variety of road conditions. Conclusion. The Honda CB400X is an excellent choice for riders looking for a dependable adventure bike with everyday usability. Thanks for watching King Bike. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more motorcycle reviews.